Hello, Giuliani. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Yeah, what's important for you when doing this?
To make a good start and I can compete the whole race.
What you are doing? Please explain a bit.
I think today is really important to start because the track is really fast and only one line is really good. So I hope for the good start, be in front and have a good race.
Yeah, crossing fingers for you. What's on your mind?
Oh, you mean today?
I mean right now, in this moment.
Right now, I'm a little bit nervous because I know the start is very important. You see it yesterday in the qualifying race. And so I take all my concentration on the start and I hope it will be good.
Thank you. Hey Martin, winner of the qualifying. You feel the pressure now?
Yeah, I feel the pressure because I know that here is so much important start because also so much fast people, so we are close, like top 10, we are so close on the times. So yeah, important start. I do it for everything for start. It's 19% of the work on the races.
Wish you good luck. Matthias, your day starts only just perfect by winning the first race, didn't it?
Yeah, start was pretty good, but I don't find so good rhythms and not so good lines. But in the end, I can pass Clement and Muradov, so I'm happy for the win.
think this race was almost like qualifying from the beginning till the end.
Yeah, I must say before this race I need it, because after I first race I get really big pain in my head like this one. So I try to fix, but yeah, before the race I said this will be for me hard race. I need to get a good start, and then I don't know if I finishing, you know, with myself, and then I get first and I say take my teeth, and I say after second lap I need it, I do it, and I have a little bit pain so much from the hand, but yeah, I am really happy that I can get first victory this year, so I am really happy, but this victory was really hard for me.
Yeah,
I have a really good weekend. On Saturday on the qualification race get second, and I have quite good feeling on the bike. The first moto I can win the start, but I don't know, the first 20 minutes was my riding not so good. I go back to 3, but at the end I find really good line and good rhythms, and I can pass Muratov and Klemen and take the win. Second heat, I was second in the start, and I was always 1, 2, 3 seconds behind Michek, and we push a lot, but it was not possible for me to pass him, but I was quite close behind him. But I am happy to have the red plate again, and it was a quite nice weekend for me.